A few months, or is it, I think it's almost 2 months now, I made a video about my Anker Prime power bank failing on me. Long story short, if you want to see me blab about all of that, you can go and check out that video. It's on the channel, you can check it out. But yes, this video is all about good news, possibly good news, because Anker replaced or fixed the power bank. I'm not sure which one they did, but the guys over at Ship, the guys that helped me ship or carry out all this stress, thanks to them, really appreciate them. They said it was a replacement, but I'm not too sure. I feel like it's just going to be like a fix or something. But yeah, why I say I feel like it's a fix is because it actually came in the exact same box that I gave them, with maybe a little bit of problems because this place a little bit pushed in, so I think there's a damage on the box, but it does feel like the box that I came with you can see the tape is a little bit worn out. It doesn't look new, so I feel like it's the same box that I gave them. I think it was fixed rather than replaced, or maybe it's the same box but the power bank inside is replaced. So let's see. Shout out to the guys at Ship for helping me out really with this whole thing. I would have paid a freaking hell of a lot of money just to send this back to Anker, but the guys that I ordered it from, that's the Ship, they said okay, no problem, I can send it to them and they would help me out with the whole thing. But yeah, okay, power bank. I think the power bank was changed. This feels like, I think this is new. There's a scratch on it, on the original one I had on the glass screen. So if I see that here, then I'll know that it's the one that I actually sent back. In the box, does everything still come back with it? Because I did, why is it so stiff? I did send back the whole thing, the whole box. Why is it so stiff? Did they change the packaging? I think they changed the packaging. Yeah, I think they actually changed the packaging, because this wasn't like this before. This used to be like a strap open from this side, but now it's like from another side. So I don't really get how to get this to work. But let me see, is this new? No, this is the exact same one. This is the exact same bag that I actually sent. As you can see, it's like used and everything, but yeah, the exact same bag that I had. I think everything in the package still comes with it. This was the cable. I heard that this cable is 100 watts. I had no idea before. I never noticed. It's actually 140 watts. That's crazy. That's actually crazy. It's 100. I had a 140 watts cable all this while and I had no idea. That's crazy. So yeah, paperwork and everything. This is the power bank. Let's do the honors. I'm not sure. I don't know whether it's new. Let me clean the screen. There used to be a scratch on this side, but I'm not seeing it anymore. So let me just clean the screen and see. Yeah, I think it's the exact same one. I think it was just fixed. I don't think it was replaced. Moment of truth. Does it work? Or was I pranked? Yep. All I really want to see is if Anker actually changed it, because the serial number and everything would be here. So I want to know if they actually changed the power bank or they just sent me a different one. It looks like they fixed it, but I'm not too sure. I have the Anker, that is Anker Prime. So if anything actually happens, then if it was replaced, then it will definitely not be the same one here. But if it's the same one, it should just connect directly without any issues. It should pick up from here. So the fact that it's not detecting gives me a feeling that this was replaced for sure. I think maybe they all have like minor scratches on the screen, but this was definitely replaced. You can't actually find it. So I'm going to have to manually add a device, searching Prime Power Bank. So add my name again, Prime Power Bank, and yeah. That's all. Okay, yeah, this was definitely replaced. The battery cycle time says 0. I had this to like 8 the first time I used it, so definitely this was replaced. So shout out to Anker, shout out to Ship for the help and everything. In case you are going through similar things, all you have to do, don't forget, you can ship this back to Anker. If you bought it in a totally far away country like I did, all you have to do is just reach out to the company that you got it from. If you use the logistics company like I did, you can just ship it back to them, and then they should be able to help you out with the rest. If you shipped it yourself to Amazon, from Amazon, I don't know, maybe just close your eyes and just send it back to them, because really to let this sit doing absolutely nothing, like in my case, I was just going to let this die and just be there, but like it made no sense to just watch this just die and not do anything. So I just had to try my best to like get it fixed, and yeah, we're back. But yeah, that's all I have to say for this video. If you liked it, drop a like, and I'll see you guys in the next video.